If you're tired of living paycheck to paycheck and being broke, this video's for you. By the end of this video, you're going to know the 7 deadly money habits that are silently draining your bank account and keeping you broke no matter how much you earn. These are the same habits that the wealthy avoid like the plague, but the same ones that the middle class keep repeating without even realizing it. If you've ever wondered why your income goes up but your bank balance stays the same, this video is about to explain everything. But I'm gonna warn you, if you ignore even just one of these habits, you'll stay trapped in paycheck to paycheck cycle forever. So let's dive in. But before we get into this video, make sure that you smash that like and subscribe button so this video gets out to more people so everyone can stay informed on how to stop being broke. So let's start at habit number 1, the lifestyle creep. You get a raise, and what's the first thing that you do? You upgrade your car, get a nicer apartment, start dining out even more. That's the lifestyle creep. And it's the #1 reason people making $150,000 a year still feel broke. The biggest mistake, confusing higher income with higher spending power. But here's the fix. Locking your lifestyle for at least a year every time you get a raise, invest the difference. But just freezing your lifestyle isn't enough, because habit number 2 is devouring your money even faster. Habit number 2 is subscription overload. Netflix, Hulu, Disney Plus, your gym, apps, digital storage, software you don't even use anymore. Most people are leaking $200 to $400 a month in subscriptions they forgot that they even had. It's the biggest mistake that you need to stop avoiding, because ignoring the $9.99 problem, yeah, it feels small, but over time it's a serious financial bleed. But it's an easy fix, because you can use apps like Rocket Money or manually audit your statements every 90 days. And no, this is not sponsored by Rocket Money, even though it should be, I guess. But you still think you got things under control? Habit number 3 is the silent killer of generational wealth. Habit number 3 is the biggest one that everyone skips: not paying yourself. If you wait till the end of the month to save, you never will. But it's an easy fix. Automate your savings. 10% minimum goes into savings, investing the moment your paycheck hits. The reason why it goes wrong is because people treat savings as optional. The wealthy treat it as a bill that must be paid. I want to give a special shout out to all my beasters out there that are working hard to fix their credit using DisputeBeast, the most advanced AI credit repair software ever created that comes with the 110% money back guarantee. But specifically to Jay, Jay's credit score went up 222 points after just one round with DisputeBeast. And Abdul's credit score went up 206 points after just one round with DisputeBeast. But let's not forget about Alexander. Alexander's credit score went up 211 points after just one round with DisputeBeast. DisputeBeast's link is going to be in the video description and pinned at the top of the comments for anyone that needs to fix their credit. Last part's the most important. But even saving money isn't enough if habit number 4 is still running your financial life. A lot of you are not gonna like habit number 4, financing everything. If you're financing phones, couches, concert tickets, you're not living, it's debt-fueled consumption. It's the biggest mistake, normalizing monthly payments as just part of life. Because the truth is, every monthly payment is future money you've already spent. You're literally spending money you don't have. But that's an easy fix. You start a save to buy mindset. If you can't pay in full, don't buy it. And if you thought borrowing money was the issue, wait till you hear habit number 5. Habit number 5 is ignoring your credit score. Because your credit score is your financial reputation. Ignore it and you're overpaying for everything: cars, homes, even insurance, down payments for apartments or homes that you want to rent. Life truly becomes expensive. Here's a mistake that you need to avoid. Stop thinking credit doesn't matter if you don't use credit cards. I'm gonna say this once. You don't have to be in debt to have a good credit score. but you need to actually fix your credit in order to attain the different avenues and different advantages of life, which means lower down payments, lower interest rate. So when you are financially ready, you can make the move with a good credit score. And that's why I created DisputeBeast, to give consumers the advantage that they didn't have previously, to be able to fix their credit on their own. But honestly, even good credit won't save you from habit number 6, which hits harder the older you get. Habit number 6 is delaying investing. The biggest cost in personal finance is lost time. I hear it all the time. I'm waiting until I'm ready. And this is exactly how you missed out on compounding interest. But it's an easy fix. Start small. Even $50 a month in a Roth IRA or index funds puts you ahead of 80% of people. But don't make the mistake of trying to time the market. Instead, focus on the time in the market. And finally, the habit that keeps millions poor, no matter how smart or disciplined they are. Habit number 7 is avoiding financial education. You can't win a game you don't understand. I'm gonna throw some shade out here, but relying on TikTok tips and random advice from broke friends, I see this so much with so many people. Well, so-and-so said this. So-and-so is broke. How are you taking advice from a broke person? But that's an easy fix, because if you read one personal finance book every 3 months, and then of course watch YouTube channels like this where you learn the rules of money, that's gonna give you the advantage in life. But if you're ready to replace bad money habits with rich ones, make sure that you watch this next video right here. I highly recommend watching it because it's gonna teach you how to go from $0 to wealth, and anyone can do it because I did it. And don't forget to subscribe to increase your credit score.